MIC Electronics, a microcap electronics company with some very interesting number games in its fundamentals and a potential multi-bagger for the future. This is a stock that we are going to analyze today. Make sure to watch this video till the end because this could be one of the most potential multi-bagger stocks on which you can put your money. So let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this video, I'm going to do the complete analysis of MIC Electronics. So first of all, this is the official website of MIC Electronics and it is into electronics, manufacturing LED video displays, high-end electronics telecommunication equipment. You can read here, all these things are mentioned here. Also, I'll share this link in the description section. You can go through this. This is the official website. I will get to know a lot about this company. Okay, now let's quickly jump into the fundamentals and I am going to show you some very interesting numbers in this fundamentals. So first of all, let's come to the peer comparison and check the basic numbers. So the current price of MIC Electronics is 40.47 with a market cap of almost 900 crores. Okay, and then it has a reserves of 28.48 crores and a debt of 12.69 crore. That's why the debt to equity ratio is 0.17, which is a good number. Okay, now you can see the last 3 years sales has averaged at 130.94%. Okay, sales growth. Profit growth has been at 26.22% and earning per share growth has been at 26.22%. Okay, and these two numbers are looking negative. I know the return on asset and return on capital employed for last 3 years. The reason behind that you will get to know in some time. Okay, now coming to interest coverage ratio, it is 4.41. So ideally a number above 5 is actually a good number, but 4.41 is close to 5, so it's fine. Okay, now coming to current ratio, 1.82. so this is a fantastic number, I would say. Okay, 1.82 is a very good number. Operating profit margin stands at 21.2%, which is a very good number. You can see the industry average is at 9.38%. Now coming to the promoter holding, it stands at 74.62%, almost 75%. Okay, and the Altman Z score is 16.73. so these numbers are actually looking very good, and it has a small pledging of 2.04%. so anything less than 10% is fine. Okay, and 2% is actually very less, so it's fine. And also it is a microcap company, so and also it has been starting to become profitable in quite few years from now. Okay, that's why we can expect these numbers. Okay, and we cannot expect it to be a company, a company with super strong fundamentals like a mid cap or large cap company which is already established. This is an emerging company, so these numbers are fine. Now coming to year on year profit and loss, this is the point where we have to check if this company has been growing or not. So we can see from March 2021 to March 2022, there has been huge increase in sales from 1 crore to 45 crore directly, 45 times. Then it dropped to 23 crores and then it has been at 37 crores in the trailing 12 months. Similarly, operating profit went from -2 to 7, then it went down to 2 due to decrease in sales, and also then it increased to 8. Okay, and also coming to operating profit margin, it was at -150%, which increased to positive 15%, then dropped to 7%, and then again positive 21%. So we can say for the past 2 years there has been some significant growth. Okay, 2023 and the trailing 12 months. Okay, this is where we are getting to see the bright picture. Okay, but before that the numbers are looking really bad. So we can say that the company is at a point where it has got a turnaround. Okay, and that is where the multi-baggers are made. That's why it is pretty important that we pay attention to this company. Now again, coming to the earning per share for the past 2 years, if you consider, it was 0.01 in 2023 and the trailing 12 months it is 0.52. so it's a huge increase. Okay, huge increase in earning per share, and you can see nowhere else in any past year it has seen such kind of earning per share. Okay, 0.52. most of the times it has been at negative only. Okay, so that's why it is at a very crucial turnaround point. Okay, now I will go to the shareholding pattern and there you are going to notice something very interesting. Okay, it is very crucial also. So here is the shareholding pattern and you can see the promoters were holding 7.61% in March 2021. Okay, same in June 2021, but they sold their entire stake to the public and made it 0.00, and now you can see the public is holding 100% in September 2021, and it was like that for 2 quarters. But then suddenly you can see from 0.00 to 74.63%. Okay, the promoters bought a huge quantity of stake. In fact, the maximum they can possibly buy, the maximum limit set by SEBI 75%, so they have purchased 74.63% stake, the promoters, and you can see the shareholding pattern from public dropped to just 25.37%. Okay, this has been the turnaround point, and from that point onwards you can see the promoter holding has been same, and obviously as there are no FIIs and DIIs, the public holding has also been the same. So this transition quarter from December 2021 to March 2022 is a very crucial time. Okay, that is where the promoters bought 74.60% of the stake. Earlier it was 0.00, and how this thing looks in the price action, that we are going to see now, and it is very interesting. Okay, and if you are watching the video so far and liking the analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Now let's go to the price action. Okay, so this is MIC Electronics in weekly time frame. Okay, and here you can see in the weekly time frame, we can see that the price was around 70 paise here in November 2020, in November 9, 2019. Okay, let me go to the daily time frame so that we can get to see the clear jump that we are discussing about. Okay, and here you can see in December 2021, suddenly the price went up to 14.40. So 2221% return in one day. So that is just mind blowing. Okay, we see such kind of growth in options. Okay, when we trade out of the money options, sometimes we get to see some mind blowing numbers, but this is happening in cash market. Okay, the real stock price has gone up to 2221% in just a single day. So that is just amazing. But after that, it went on to a long consolidation phase from January 2022 till October 2023, a long consolidation phase. And now the good thing is that the stock has become stable around the price of 34.50, or you can say 35 rupees. Okay, it has become stable and is starting to show some good signs. What is that sign? I'm going to discuss. Let me first quickly go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame for MIC Electronics. First of all, I am going to check if this price action, current price action, is being supported by the fib levels or not. So I will see if this blue line that I have marked here is actually aligning with any major fib level or not. So I'll use the fib retracement. I'll take this as the high and this as the low. Okay, let me remove this blue line so that we do not get into confusion. Okay, and you can see after this low point from here at 22.85 and the high point of 48, we can see the price got stable at this price 0.5 level. Okay, this is the exact place where the ideal buy points are formed, and that is where it has become stable. That's why MIC Electronics is already at a very good level for buying. We can say that from the first glimpse itself. Okay, but again we are going to do the deeper analysis. Okay, the fib levels have already confirmed. So let me just mark this blue line with my own marking. Okay, and I can remove this to keep the charts clean. Okay, this is the 0.5 level. Now let me see if there is support of any major moving average or not. So first of all, let me try with 30 weeks weighted moving average. Okay, it is providing very good support here. You can see the price is touching closely touching, but never actually closed below this 30 weeks weighted moving average lines, which is a very good thing. Okay, and from there onwards it started going up. Okay, that's why the 30 weeks weighted moving average is providing very nice support to this stock, and also it has provided a very good support at this level as well. That's why this the price action is respecting the 30 period weighted moving average. Now we have got the weighted moving average 30 period long term support for MIC Electronics in weekly time frame. Now let's see if the momentum indicator is also telling the same thing, that the stock is building bullish momentum or not. So I'll use the MACD and RSI level. Okay, so you can see, let me first highlight on the MACD. You can see in the MACD indicator we already got to see that the red candle bars, the red bars are actually getting smaller and smaller. It has not yet given a crossover. Okay, but seeing the momentum, we are pretty sure that it could give a crossover very soon. Or what else could happen? It could go into another consolidation phase. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to mark this level. Okay, the recent high. So I'll mark this recent high in red. Okay, which is 42.55. Okay, now let's see what the RSI indicator is telling us. So the RSI indicator is showing that it is also staying above the 60 level here. Okay, it is staying above the 60 level, and also the moving average is now below the RSI level, which is a good thing, which is a strong indication that the uptrend is continuing. Okay, and the strong bullish momentum is still on, it has not yet faded. Okay, this is the weekly analysis. So in the weekly analysis, we are getting to see that the stock is building momentum, but it has not been 100% confirmed by the momentum indicators. Also, we are getting to see there is a nearest resistance of 42.55 for this stock. So what we are going to do next, we are going to go to the daily time frame to see what daily time frame is telling us. So this is daily time frame, and from this price action, I can clearly say it should be having the support of 50 days EMA. So let's try that out. Okay, and there we go, we are getting to see a very good support of the 50 days EMA. Okay, and you can see how big this wick has formed as soon as it came closer to this 50 days EMA, and then it is starting to build strong momentum. Also, let's check the volume, if the volume is high during this time or not. Okay, so we can see very good volume formation throughout this period. This entire period is having very strong volume formation. That clearly means that people are buying. Okay, there is some huge buying during this level. Now the question, the final conclusion, can you invest in this stock right now? I would say definitely you should put some money in this stock. This is a micro cap. So first thing I want to mention, I want to make it clear that put limited quantity. Okay, buy limited quantity, don't buy too much going out of your risk appetite. Okay, just buy within your limits, because this is a micro cap company and it is risky, same like Swiss military, on which I made a video. Okay, and you can see after that it has started showing very strong momentum and it is going up. So same with this one, you have to put limited quantities, don't buy in a bulk. Okay, and thing is that it's best to divide your investment. Okay, few quantities you can buy right now, let's say 50%, current price is 40.8, and the remaining 50% you should buy as soon as it breaks this 42.55 level. Okay, if you want to play it in a perfect way. But if you are you don't want to do this, you just want to put some money because this is a micro cap company and this is a secondary investment for you, and you want to invest it in one go and leave it. Okay, not to put your head too much into this, then also you can invest 100% of the amount right now, because 40.80 and 42.55, there is not much of a difference, there is some difference. Okay, let's count the percentage. So it is around 4%. Okay, so let's say even 5 to 6%, so not much of a difference, 4% is nothing. So if you want to make an early entry, then definitely you can put the 100% of the amount right now, but do not expect it to start going up immediately. It might, okay, but it might not also until it crosses 42.55. If you are okay with that, then you can put the 100% of the amount right now. Okay, so that is all about MIC Electronics. To sum it up, the promoters have suddenly acquired a huge stake in this company. Okay, directly it has gone up to 74.63% from 0.00%. Okay, that definitely means the company is into something very big. That's why their promoters are collecting their own stocks, and along with that, the price action is clearly giving us hint that the stock is starting to go up. Okay, and people who are interested in some risky investment as a secondary options, which can give a potential multi-bagger growth, then this is a very good option for you. Do not miss this opportunity, take full advantage of it. So that's all about MIC Electronics. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such videos. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos helpful, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get to see more stock analysis, and also you can chat with me directly on Discord and ask your queries. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.